Hi, my name's Emma and I'm currently the Project Support Officer for Careers Hub in Cornwall and Isles of Scilly. I originally did my A-levels, which then led me on to doing a journalism diploma. From that, I then did a marketing apprenticeship. Currently, as a project support officer, I'm working on Cornwall School Show. It's a large-scale event for 3,000 secondary school and college students from across Cornwall and Isles of Scilly. It also brings together over 150 local employers. The aim of the day is to give you the opportunity to potentially meet your future employer, or even just engage with what the sector is and what the different job roles are in each sector, and what other opportunities are out there. The Cornwall School Show will be held at the Royal Cornwall Showground and will be split into 8 different zones. These 8 different zones are growth and opportunity sectors within Cornwall and Isles of Scilly. Alongside that, we will have a pathway zone, which will have your university options, your college options, as well as even apprenticeships. You'll also have the entrepreneur and innovation zone, where you'll be able to speak to employers who set up their own businesses. Also within this zone, you'll have the chance to do mock interviews with other employers to help you be more employable. This is the first time I've properly project managed an actual event, and this is such a large scale event and I've never done it before. So within this, I've been able to manage a budget, I've been able to engage with employers and just do general organisation, such as organising the venue. We're going to have a photographer there on the day. So it's just huge with a lot of exciting things, and I've been able to be a part of that. I'm really looking forward to the event just coming to life and being able to see all the businesses together with all the different activities, and for you to have the chance to properly see what's out there in Cornwall. I'm also really excited about Archie, the fire dog from Cornwall Fire and Rescue. The next steps, your teacher will be giving you some worksheets that will help give you an insight into what's happening on the day. And it's also to give you a chance to properly see what opportunities are out there for you. So don't worry about kind of being afraid of asking employers questions, because that's what they're wanting you to do, and they could potentially be your future employer. So we're really excited to see you there, and we look forward to seeing you on the 19th of March at Royal Cornwall Showground.